Hello again, nice to see you. Today we're going to make another Nyonya Kuih, which is called Kuih Bingka. This Kuih Bingka, the type that I'm going to do today is the beras or the rice Kuih Bingka. There are two types of Kuih Bingka. One is ubi, which is made from tapioca, a grated tapioca, and the other one is this one made from rice. So today I'm going to make the one that is using rice flour. Hi, I'm Loretta Lee. Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. So today we're making Kuih Bingka beras. It's one of my childhood favorite kuihs when we buy it from the vendor. So let's go and see how to make it. For the rice Kuih Bingka, you will need 90 grams of rice flour, 25 grams of green pea flour, 10 grams of tapioca flour, and also about half a teaspoon of salt, 600 ml of coconut milk, 100 grams of sugar, 1 pandan leaf. You put all the ingredients, the flour and the sugar, into a bowl, and you mix it up with the coconut milk. And then you strain it into a pot big enough to hold it. This is to remove any lumps. Prepare a 15 cm square baking tin, and I'm spraying with some oil because I don't have banana leaf. Or it's a 6-inch square tin. And we add the pandan leaf that's been torn and knotted. You stir until it is slightly thickened or lightly thickened, and you can see some bits. Yeah, some of the bits here, the starchy thing has already starting to cook. We remove the pandan leaf. Pour this in gently. We bake this in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius, fan, or 220 gas for about 40 minutes. Here's the bingka, but it's not really brown, but because the sides are quite high, so I'm going to brown it later. So now I'm going to use the blowtorch to brown it. So I'm going to unmold this. Yeah. Okay. So here it goes. It's pretty pale, so I'm going to brown it. So now I'm going to brown it. So now it's beginning to char now. So we're just going to add a few more minutes and we're there. See, it's charring nicely. So we're going to add a few more minutes and it's going to be okay. So here is the Kuih Bingka. Nicely charred. Okay, I'm doing it in the garden. It's my first time using the blowtorch, so I'm trying to be safe. My blowtorch. Do I look like James Bond? We want to make a nice crust, so I'm doing it with the one that I steam. Okay, working on it. I think the effect is a bit different from the grill itself. You know, the grill is, yeah, this is more intense, I think. This is the one that I placed under the grill, and I've took off the baking tin because I think the baking tin is too high, and the grill can't actually, the heat can't actually reach the surface. So now I've put it under the grill. See that very nice charring. And the little dots are actually done by the blowtorch, you know. But the grill will give you things like that, you know, areas of charredness. So, I think the grill is still okay. It's just that the baking tin is too high. It looks a bit more decent now. So here we are with the cake. The Kuih Bingka beras. It's like a custard. So we're now going to cut it. How many pieces shall I cut it? Cut it in half first. Okay, here goes. I can smell the char smell. So here we have our Kuih Bingka beras, or it's rice Kuih Bingka, not the tapioca Kuih Bingka. So here is the Kuih Bingka beras, which is the rice Kuih Bingka. Ooh, it's falling over. Yes, and this is how it looks like. So I'm going to try it. So this is how it looks like. It's custardy. So, it's got a rich coconut taste. Sweet. Slightly salty. And it's got a charred smell. That's how I remember it in my childhood. So that's all for today, and I'll share with you another recipe the next round. So until then, I'm Laura Tally, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey and all the mishaps at times. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. And don't forget to share if you find my video useful. So thank you then. Thank you for your time. Bye. Bye. See you. Thank you. Thank you.